Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. Today we're going to make a Portobello sandwich. So it's a nice, quick and easy, and there's so many different variations of this, just whatever your taste preferences are. So let's get started. I'm just using one Portobello mushroom cap, and this should be plenty enough for 2 sandwiches. I just have a little bit of olive oil. So what we're going to do is fry these mushroom caps. Get them nice and brown on both sides, and they're going to shrink a little bit as we cook them. Mouse wants to get into the act today. Yes, don't you? So it's only been a couple of minutes. We're going to flip these over. Okay, so this is, I think, pretty good. It's like 2 minutes on each side. We're going to put these separate back on another plate. We'll leave the burner going. Medium, low. We'll get our bread prepared now. What I'm going to do is, I just have some margarine. You can use margarine or butter. Some soft spread. I'm going to put just a nice thin coat on each slice, but make sure you get the ends good, otherwise they'll burn a little bit. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll cook these on the butter side down. So now to prepare the sandwich for grilling, okay, remember we're going to cook it on butter side down. So what I bought, you can buy, there's probably 100 different styles of spreads and things you can use. You can use even if you have some leftover things in the refrigerator. What I got was this chili pesto, which really tastes good. I snuck a taste already. And then I've used some sun-dried tomato paste. They've got, artichoke paste. They've just lots of different ways. A bit of the either one. I'm doing the chili pesto first. This has got just a little bit of a kick, not too much. So I'm going to spread a little bit of that.
Is it hot?
It's a little spicy, not too bad. Just got a really nice flavor though. So I've got that. I'm going to put, I got provolone cheese, thin slice. And what you want to do is get a mild cheese. If your cheese is too strong, your Portobello mushroom taste is not going to come through. So now we'll put some of our mushrooms. I'll leave enough for the other sandwich. So what I'm going to do now is put another slice of cheese. I'm going to set this butter side down. My other bread, on the inside, I'm going to use the sun-dried tomato. Or whatever spread you have. You can use horseradish sauce, there's lots of different things. Yes, Mouse. So now we're gonna cook this just like we would do a grilled cheese sandwich. Maybe 3 or 4 minutes on each side. We'll flip it till it's a nice golden brown. Cheese will be melted. Pickle on the side, and there's our lunch. Very easy. So it's been a couple of minutes. You can see when the smoke starts coming up, it's probably ready to turn. Be very careful in turning. This is a pretty big piece of slices of bread. Yeah, that's perfect. Ouch. Now, of course, since it's already melted and hot, this next side is going to take a little bit less time. It's starting to smoke a little bit, so this should be done. There you have it. That'll look good. We'll put a dill pickle on the side. We need a bigger one than that. All right, hopefully it's cooled off a little bit. Very tasty. Yeah, I like the sauce. This is really good. Chili pesto, red pepper with chili. Adds just a little bit of a spice, nice flavor. The tomato paste, sun-dried tomatoes is really nice. And looks like there's a lot of cheese, but it's a very mild cheese, so it doesn't overpower everything else.
Very good.
Nice for a summer hot day.
Yeah.
Have salad with it. We're having salad with ours for soup.
Very good.
All right. So I'm gonna make the next one and then we can start eating. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie and thank you very much.